Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer states my car doesn't start and won't stay running, won't hold a charge. If you don't know what's going on, please check and advise. Say no more. Well, I can tell you this much. We tried to test this battery right here, and my battery tester won't even stay on because there's that much voltage not in the battery. Going to the brake fluid. It's looking good. Looking like we got some FIFO action. Well, I can tell you this much, guys. Car didn't start, but I had to jump start it, and it did run under its own power. I did not have to run the car off the jump box, so that's good. The bad thing is the car has gone roughly 16 miles in over a year and a half. So you wonder why it won't start. You wonder why it won't stay running. So I informed the customer that in order for us to do proper electrical diagnosis, we have to start off with a known good battery. So hopefully, just hopefully, they're going to want to replace this battery. It does look like it was replaced at one point. It's a Toyota True Start, and it appears to be in physical good condition, but when we test it, we can't even test it because there's no voltage in there. Alright. Well, look at that manifold heat shield, rusted and let's see, do we have any action underneath? Oh, of course we do. Of course we got some action. Look at that, we got FIFO action, we got some poos. Anything back there? No, what about top of the transmission? Yeah, there's a little bit there. A little bit on the transmission. Got plenty in the shock towers. How about, I'm gonna have to go inspect that cabin air filter. You know what comes next. Let's take it up top. So guys, based off of what we see here, I went to go inspect the cabin air filter. And yeah, it turned into a gravesite, ladies and gentlemen, because there he is. He's dead. Chilling right there on the cabin air filter in his nest, or on the side of his nest. That's what happens when the car sits for over a freaking year and a half. Wonderful. And it freaking smells in here. Even better. Alright guys, we're here. I don't know how he's gonna fall right in. Oh no, he's not. Oh yes he is. Yep. 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 Oh, there he is. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Pain face and all. There he is. And there's a freaking nest. You want your car to sit for a year and a half, that's gonna happen. And yes, it freaking smells. So now that we took it up top, we're gonna look around. We're gonna look around at the flavor taking over the vehicle, but not that caliper. But the rotor is getting the keys to the flavors. Control arms, ugly. That caliper, look, it's all spotted, getting even uglier. No oil leaks, very good. Car's been sitting. It's gone under 20 miles in almost a year and a half. And they wonder why it's not going to start. Shaft getting all bumpy and crusty. It's not good. Giggity. You know, the further we go back, the further into flavor country. But oh, look, the side that doesn't hit the salt is in decent condition. But when you go to this side, oh wait, look at that subframe. Oh wait, looking kind of ugly. That shaft is looking ugly too. Oh, this one too. I don't think that eccentric will ever move. How are the tires? Well, they're not looking good either. We got some abnormal wear on the inside and outside, which shows that's under pressure. Well, the pressure is low, excuse me. Same here. But this is looking more like an alignment issue. Let's check the front tires. Oh yeah, right, we got a little abnormal wear on the inside and outside, yeah, so they're not keeping their tires properly pressurized. Alright, let's see if they're going to want to do a battery, and then we'll continue diagnosis if needed. Alright guys, you know what comes next. Since we found 2 holes freaking dead on top of the cabin air filter, we're going to do some investigation underneath this cowl. Let's see what we can find under there. Is there going to be any damage? I don't know. Is there going to be a nest? Probably. Alright, so now that we got the whole cowl area vacuumed out, I'm starting to see things. Starting to see some missing hardware right there and right here. It appears that this cowl has been out before. And it's coming out again. Giggity. Alright, we got the cowl out. Nothing over here. Well, we got little poo-poos. So, you know what? Let's follow the poo-poo. Let's follow the trail of shit. Right to the nest. Look at that. You know what? We might be able to take this out in one piece. I hope there's nobody else in there. Yo. Wow. This dude, he was getting that from somewhere. Wow. That is, he wasn't getting it from the car, because usually we'll find that insulation pad kind of chewed up, or we'll find the hood pad chewed up. Wow. More poo-poos. Alright, let's get it out and clean it. Alright, there we go. We got the cowl out. We had to vacuum up some more poo-poos. As you can see, there's still some poo-poos there. Now we're going to do the engine clean. Very good. Well, alright, you remember how it looked before. Oh, wait. There we go. That's better. It's all clean, disinfected, Lysoled also. We got these disinfectant wipes that work very well. Our cowl is all cleaned and disinfected. There's our nest and 2 holes just chilling right there. So yeah, let's put the rest back together. Oh, one other thing. I was able to actually get up in the blower and HVAC assembly, at least in this main area here, and I was able to clean and wipe and disinfect in there too. Should smell, well, a little better. Alright, wiper transmission is in, bolted in, wiper cowl is all bolted up. Fresh air inlet is back in. It's all disinfected and cleaned. I might just give it a quick spritz with some Lysol. Now let's get it back together. Very good. Well, alright guys, everything's back together and cleaned. Always, big tip of the video guys, whenever you're working with the cowl, always clean the windshield when you're done. It makes it look like a real professional worked on it. Very good. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.